Today we learn buttons. A button is what makes an app react when the user taps. Without buttons, an app is just static content. The most common one is ElevatedButton. It is a filled button that stands out clearly on the screen. In onPressed, you write what happens when the button is tapped. Important: if onPressed is null, the button becomes disabled. In ElevatedButton, the child text is what appears on the button. TextButton is a simple text-only button without a background. Login screens use it for things like forgot password. IconButton is a button that shows only an icon, like a like button, a search button, or a share button. Floating action button is another button that comes with scaffold. You can also style buttons, background color, foreground color, and shape. Remember, every button needs onPressed to work. Practice. Build an app with one elevated button, one text button, and one icon button. Print a different message in each onPressed and test them. Buttons are what make your app interactive and alive.